How's it going, everyone? Today I'll be talking about what a priority queue is in Java and some examples on that. But first off, let's look at what a regular queue is. So we can have a structure here that is a queue that we add elements to. You can see we're adding things on the left, and regular queues follow the FIFO method, which is first in, first out. So this first red blob that goes in, this will be the first one out over here if we add other items. Okay, straightforward, just a linear add items, and then we pull items out. That's a regular queue. Priority queue is a little bit different. Okay, so each element in a priority queue has a priority attached to it. So we have that denoted by P0, P5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so what happens when we try to add P0 to this queue? It's not going to be added to the end here since the priority is assigned 0. It has really high priority. So this is going to go all the way to the head of the queue, and going to be the first one that pops out. Okay, switching over to the code here, I have a priority queue defined, and it uses the queue interface. That's an interface, right? Yep, that's an interface. And we have the priority queue class instantiated here. So the priority queue can either have no constructor, where it can just prioritize things based on the natural ordering. So if you had like an integer in here, this would probably work. But as you can see here, I have an order, which is a custom object. So I need to have a custom comparator here to order my items. So let me show you the order here. And I guess I'll back up real quick. The example here I'm showing is, let's say we're in a restaurant and you need to prioritize certain orders over other orders for the restaurant. So I have an order ID, order details, and then the order time. Cool, so let's look at the orders I'm putting in here. So I have 6 entries here of orders, has an order ID, the details, and then the actual nano time of when the order was placed. So these are just normal orders, and they will be kind of a FIFO fashion, right? These first 3 will just be added. So we'll first create salad, then fries, then pizza. That will be the order of the queue. But you can see here we have a rush order. Maybe someone messed up on a shake and they need to rush this order at the beginning of the queue. So I'm going to put an order time of 1. So this will be definitely ahead of any of these. So then what our priority queue will do when this is added, it'll rush it to the very front of the queue and it will be served first. Okay, and then I just add a few more other orders here. So let me go ahead and run this and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I have a while loop here that just prints out each item in the queue in order. So I just pull until the queue is empty. So here is the first order that comes out. It's number 4. That's to be expected, right? Because it has a priority of 1. And then the rest of these, we have the order 1, order 2, order 3, order 5, and then order 6 that then comes out. And it's all ordered by the priority of time here. And you can order by other things as well. You can have custom comparators that you put in here. You can have as complex of a comparator algorithm you want, or it can just be natural ordering as well. So hopefully that helps explain the priority queue. It's helpful in certain situations for sure. Anyways, that's it. Thanks.